Okay, so what I thought I'd do today, come back to one of my favorite beaches here in Phuket, which is Kamala Beach. And this is a little bit north of where I'm at, down in Kata. And as of this video, it is June 2026. I would say it's officially in like low season now. Get a lot of rain, but today is absolutely beautiful. So let's take a walk and kind of explore around and see what it's like this time of year. And you can see there's a lot less folks around compared to, you know, the regular season, you know, around January, February. And of course the red flag, which is a lot of surf and rip current. The beach a little bit and then make my way inland, check out what's going on back there, maybe walk through the little village. It's not really much of a town, and just kind of observe what's going on around here. Lately we've been having a lot of rain. I was up at My Cow previously, and we had a lot of rain up there. But I have to say that monsoon is probably one of my favorite times of the year. One, less people. Two, I just like the bigger surf. And you get that nice southwest swell that comes in. Not too touristy this time of year though. As you can see, this is what you got to be careful of this time of year, right there. And let me tell you, rip currents are very tricky to get out of. Trees around here too, because not only coconut, but you have the pine trees, which up in My Cow, that is very prominent up there. Sorry for the bad video up there, but that's the way the weather was when I went up north. And you know, driving up there, or at least the first stop, not too bad, a little over an hour drive, but if I go all the way to Khao Lak, that's almost like 3.5 hours. And sometimes I just don't want to be stuck in the hotel room because of the inclement weather, as they say. All right, I like this one. A little bit closer. Okay, going to take a little walk down the boardwalk, which is this way, and see what's going on there. I can tell it's very empty. I love the backdrop here though. Yeah, during the high season, this would be packed with people all the way down. They're almost begging you to come in. A lot of debris on the beach. It gets washed up on the tide, you know. This has got to be the busiest section I've seen right here. And be careful walking under coconut trees. And the last thing you want to do is get hit on the top of the head by one of those coconuts. That will crack your head for sure. See, like that one fell, right? Imagine if you're underneath there. Yeah, just be wary about that when you're tracking down the beach. Buddy cup? All types of trinkets. I imagine these things are all wooden, handmade. I mean, look at that. That's really unique. Kamala Resort up here. Not really sure though. It's like a good stay though. Right on the beach. The thing you can do out here is horseback ride. That's the first one I've seen since I've been here. Going further south down. See right behind me. And head down further south and then go through that little village area. And that'll be about it on this video because really, there's really not a lot.
American vlog.
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Vlog.
Vlog, yes, sir.
Vlog от Skoy. Assalamu alaikum.
Get some really cheap stays around here. Okay, let's go down this sidewalk down here. Look at this little pool right there. Man, look at the size of this thing. Look at that. Kind of cute, huh? Oh wow, that's sure debris littered over here. Hate to show it, but it just shows up, you know. Pakistani food. Yeah. These are some of the businesses like right on the little village out in front on the road, which we're going to go hit next. Make my way up here. Okay, this place right here you can get for about 40 bucks a night, US dollars, right? Not bad. But then again, you know, you got some rare sunny days out here this time of year. I mean, it's just going to keep picking up more and more as the season goes on. Not really going to get any better until you start moving in to late October. Okay, gonna head down this way, come up the backside. There's actually a school around here. I think it's right over here. Probably get a really good deal on this guest house right here. I mean, look at this place. I mean, it's looks like it really rocks when it's busy, but definitely nothing there. They got a little place right inside here, and it goes right into the beach area. So let's go take a walk through here. I know this is kind of touristy, but what the heck, right? Kind of see what's going on here.
Hey, how are you?
Swaddy Cup, how are you?
I'm good.
All right, man. Oh, no, thank you. Everybody wants to sell me a t-shirt. All right, and I can show you the beach. And we actually just passed this earlier. All this is, you know, very overpriced stuff. Yeah, see, if you remember that sign, Pakistani food, well, here's the beachfront. I think the water actually comes all the way up here. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my little Kamala tour here. This is what it's like during this time of year. June, probably be like this for quite a while. Good prices and beautiful day to do it. One of the rare ones, actually. And I'll see you in my next video somewhere. Probably here in Phuket for a while. Later.